Today at Gum Springs Rec Center, we were asked to partner with Gum Springs to do haircuts for kids for back to school. Gum Springs knew that the fire department, we do a lot of community outreach, so they asked us, hey, could you do this? So we said we'll give it a try. So we went out asking local barbers, hey, would you volunteer some time to help us out with this? And they said, yeah, they would, you know. And it was funny because I didn't know that all of them would show up. But today we come out here and every barber shop that I went to, there was 1 or 2 barbers showed up from every shop. I mean, we have a total of 10, 11 barbers here today.
Well, today I'm a barber today because I'm with Fairfax County Fire and Rescue and also the Progressive Firefighters. So that is the 2 hats that I do wear. But today's event means a lot to me because we get a chance to get back to the community. And there's nothing like having a new haircut, going back to school and feeling nice and feeling good.
The Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department partnering with the Progressive Firefighters of Fairfax County, which is an organization within the department. Gum Springs Recreation Center, 93.9 WKYS local radio station. They're on their way here. They're going to set up and air it on the radio live. We got Fire Station 9, which is a local fire station right around the corner, Fire Station 9 C-Shift. They came by, they were showing the kids the equipment outside. You know, while the kids sitting around, we wanted to give them something to do. When we're not out running 911 emergencies, we're pretty much trying to find other ways to give back into the community. And today, it's partnering with these other groups to do the haircuts for kids.
It is a good turnout, not so much surprise, but I'm glad to see everybody come out. I really am, and it's my pleasure really to cut their hair, probably more so than them getting a haircut.
It's a lot of community outreach going on today, which is a beautiful thing. I mean, it's real good, and the kids are all leaving out here with nice haircuts.